Hello, good morning. We are in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And it's Sunday and pasikat na palang ang araw dito sa Malaysia. Because as we all know, matagal sumikat ang araw dito. Anyway, it's Sunday and we'll be having our long run. Come and join us and let's have fun and again explore the area together. We're running in Kuala Lumpur na. We're looking for the start ng car free day nila. Yan lang naman makikita mo. It's a mosque. Okay, so ganun-ganun lang, mag 5 kilometers na tayo, no? Nakakatawa tumakbo dito sa Kuala Lumpur kasi under car free day, maluwag, tas ang lamig, ang daming puno, ang daming mong iconic buildings na makikita. So,
Mahangin.
nakaka-entertain siyang tumakbo. I don't know, kasi first time namin tumakbo ng car free day dito. So, yeah, it's worth trying. Tapos may dadaan pang tren. You know, woo! Kumbaga, ang daming ganap. So, all your senses are really working. Hindi mo kailangan ng music because the surrounding is your music. So, yeah. Hey, basa. Basa ah. Nandito na tayo sa Merdeka. This is the kilometer 0 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Yeah. Tatapusin lang natin yung 12 kilometers para sulit ang long run. Yeah. Sulit ang buffet mamaya. Ganda oh, grabe. Dito, huy. Yun. Tapos may kita mo yung mga iconic buildings, oh. You know, wow. The Merdeka Square. You know, woo.
Dito ang ganda.
Amazing.